Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is 5 full days of lean and green. Here we go. This is number 1. This meal consists of ground chicken, avocado, laughing cow, cauliflower rice. I mean, could you get any better? This is delicious and filling. I used ground chicken for the first time I don't know if I ever used it before, maybe once, but I really enjoyed it much better than ground turkey. It had a very mild taste to it, and this lean and green was so filling. Hope you guys make this one. Moving on to the next one, a delicious treat of pork chops cooked with some mustard. Oh my gosh. So this is a bed of mixed greens. I've got some peppers, I've got some mushrooms, and you can see on the scale it was 6.1 ounces of meat, but it was really 6 ounces like we're allowed, and the 0.1 was the mustard that I topped it with. I cooked it in a skillet and topped it with the mustard just before it was done cooking, and then a little additional on top afterward. Moving on to the next meal, we have fresh tilapia, we have some broccoli, and we have some mixed greens. I did use a tablespoon of the G. Hughes sugar-free vinaigrette dressing as my healthy fat, and how good does this look? This meal was absolutely delicious. I normally buy frozen tilapia, but the fresh from the market was just, it was so good. I had enough for 2 days, but this is 7 full ounces and 3 servings of veggies and a healthy fat. Next day, I had, look at this. Did you not see this recently? This is some spinach and lettuce mix. We have some avocado. Look at that. These are those little avocado mashers that are just absolutely perfect. You don't waste anything. They're just absolutely delicious. And I have some egg whites, and this was my meal. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe there may have been an egg in there for the healthy fat. Moving on to the next day, here we go. A nice big bowl of tuna mixed with avocado and some broccoli. This was a delicious meal, and I did have some more room for veggies, so I added just a couple of button mushrooms to it, and it was wonderful. And I love mixing tuna with avocado rather than mayo. I feel like it just gives it more flavor, and because there's some fiber included in it, it is a healthy way to get in your healthy fat. So if you like this type of video and you want to see more full week of lean and greens, let me know. And if you didn't see my Ulta haul the other day, oh my gosh, go back in my library and watch it. It was such a fun video to make. I will see you in the next one, and remember, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. See you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful night.